I'm going to do an unboxing of the Art Figure Aidol figure. One of them. This is actually based on the character Deathstroke, and it's actually quite nice. So there's two different versions. The other version has a different head sculpt. It's got the actual Deathstroke head sculpt, and then different color armor, just the accents are different color. Anyway, pretty large figure. Uses the new Art Figure body. And there's some cool accessories. So you get a metal staff. This is pretty neat, actually. I'm just gonna, and that is all metal. Just gonna unpack him so you guys can see what he comes with. Armor kit's pretty awesome, especially if you buy it as a loose piece. I love customizing with this stuff. And we actually sell the entire armor kit together in the loose parts section, which is cool. It comes with 4 hands. It's pretty standard. Comes with some extra pegs. Art Figure pegs sometimes break. You can drill them out, and that's why they give you new ones. So these right here go over the leg muscles, and the knife is metal, which is cool. Large and in charge. You can cut steak with that. Pistol holster. And it comes with the actual pistol from their Deadshot figure, which is really nice, actually. It's custom. Rhymes with clock. It's got a grenade belt with metal grenades. That's kind of cool. This is the double pistol mag pouch. And then it's got a plethora of pouches. Let me just get rid of these real quick. Now, other side we have a sword, also metal. Use it as a letter opener if you want. You could probably sharpen that. Don't tell the kids. Comes with one of his larger pistols. This is actually really nice. So, let's see if I can take it apart real quick. So, mag comes out. Slide moves. It's large and in charge. I like that a lot. And then it comes with MP5, pretty standard. You've seen this before. It's good quality. Mag comes out. Let's get rid of this stuff. Let's see everything. Alright, so let's lay this stuff all out. You guys can get a view of everything. This is a nice pistol set. So that's cool. MP5, sword. So it comes with a grenade belt. I'm not sure why exactly. That's probably part of the character's outfit, but there is no grenade launcher. So if you want a grenade launcher, we do sell those. Look up ES-26013, and that's an easy and simple PMC with the grenade launcher. You can see that he's got armored shin guards, knee pads, armored feet. He's a big dude. He's got the new muscular body again. It's really heavy. It's probably a pound by itself, but all armored up. It's a pretty cool figure. Let's see if I can stand on his own. So there he is. There's this stuff. We have it for sale actually on our website right now. Link will be put in the description. If you like this video, please smash the subscribe button to be notified of new content.